Diffuser Humidifier. First, ultrasonic aroma humidifier, LED light, and USB operated automatic off function. FYD, fragrance your day. So what are the function of ultrasonic aroma diffuser and humidifier with LED lighting? Create a relaxing and peaceful environment at home. Microfine diffusion through ultrasonic humidifier technology. Aroma diffuser for spreading the fragrance of aromatic oils. Humidifier microfine diffusion through ultrasonic humidifier technology. So this is it. You can see the here in the pictures. LED lighting create a relaxing and peaceful environment at home. So aroma diffuser for spreading the fragrance of aromatic oils. So atong abrihan kung unsa ni palit ko lang ni siya kay ganahan man ko tan-aw. So atong abrihan. Unboxing the so mauni siya. So mauni siya. So you can open it. This one. We have also a USB cord where you connect. Instruction for use. Place the diffuser on a level surface and remove the cover from the base. So this one, because it is covered, this one, so we have to remove this first and connect the USB cable to the base. So we have to connect the USB, this one, we have to connect it here. So we can use this one, we have to connect it here. Here, we have to connect it here. And then this one, we have to connect it. Number 3, fill the tank with up to 120 ml of water and add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. So we have to put 120 ml of water. So 120 ml of water. One, two, three. Slide the cover back onto the base. So, slide na to ang cover back to the base. Okay. Have to connect this one in a plug. So, connect na. And then, press the button on the front to activate the device. This device has two functions. If the button is pressed once, the diffuser will emit a continuous light mist. So let's try. Atong ibutang anak. So this one, we have to on this one. So let's try. So you can see na.
So it functions. And yep, you can see this is it, and you can see that one. You can see.
This device has two functions. If the button is pressed once, the diffuser will emit a continuous light mist. If the button is pressed again, the diffuser will emit a mist of 25 seconds and with intervals of 10 seconds. Press the lead button on the front to activate the blue LED light. The device will shut down automatically after 6 hours or when the water tank is empty. So what is nice is if the water is empty there, it's automatic, it will be off. They will not wait after 6 hours. Either 6 hours or the water tank is empty. So please note, this product is USB operated. So they have also a safety instruction. This diffuser is designed for office and home use only. So this is only used for home and office. Do not use it outdoors. This appliance can be used by children aged from 8 years and above, and person with reduced physical, sensory, or mental capabilities, or lack of experience and knowledge if they have been given supervision or instruction concerning use of the appliance in a safe way and understand the hazard involved. Children shall not play with the appliance. Cleaning and user maintenance must not be performed by children unless supervised. Disconnect the device from the main supply during filling or cleaning. If the main connection cable of this device is damaged, it must be disposed of. Please always place the diffuser on flat surface. Do not move it while it's on. Do not use or store the diffuser where room temperature is below 0 degree. Never immerse the diffuser cord or adapter in water or other liquid. Keep the diffuser away from any heat source. Do not expose the power cord to direct heat. Do not switch diffuser on when there is no water in the tank. Please only use the diffuser with pure water and 100% pure essential oil. Do not pull the plug from the socket with wet hand or by holding on to the power cord. Please empty the water tank and store it in ventilated place. If not in use for long time, the diffuser is only to be used indoor for the purpose described in this instruction. Unauthorized use and technical modification to the appliance can lead to a danger to life, health. Manufacturer accept no responsibility for any loss or damage which arise as a result of failure to follow this operating instruction. So they have also a maintenance. Clean the water reservoir after each use to remove as much oil residue as possible. Use a soap light moistened cloth for this. Stubborn residues can be removed by using a few drops of mild detergent on a damp cloth. The desk at the bottom of the water reservoir needs to be cleaned occasionally. If mist production decreases, use a lightly moistened cotton bud for this. Clean the surface of the device with a soap damp cloth.